Today we'll be focusing on how to massage away a headache. Start this massage by taking a few deep breaths in through the nose to smell the massage bar blend. Warm the massage bar with your fingertips until you can feel the product melt. Place your fingertips onto your temples and massage in upward circular motions, drawing attention to the pace of your breath. Use your thumbs to hook into your brow bone, just above the head of your eyebrows. Apply pressure by hooking into the brow bone further with each inhale, and release your pressure as you exhale. Next, use a crisscross or scissoring motion across your forehead. Apply pressure through your fingers, and start from one temple and work towards the other. Use the previous hooking technique, but this time underneath the middle section of your eyebrow, applying and releasing pressure in time with your breath. Glide out towards the tail of your eyebrow and repeat.